Hey guys, our team of Well Smile wishes you a very happy Diwali and prosperous New Year. From last Diwali of 2020 to this Diwali 2021, Nifty had made a low of 11,557 on November 2020. And in month of October 2021, Nifty has made a high of 18,600. Nifty has given more than 60% return on investment to its investors since last Diwali to this Diwali. The purpose of saying this is no other assets class, be it gold, fixed deposit, properties, or anything else, can beat stock markets to generate wealth. Stock market is a money making machine. It is a lucrative investment options, but this statement comes with a disclaimer that one must be well informed before making any investment. To simple this process, we at WellSmile conduct both earning and learning services. We provide both advisory service and also conduct workshop which is suitable for anybody who is willing to learn and make profit. In this video, we will be sharing free of cost to our YouTube family 3 stocks which can be bought from this Diwali to next Diwali. Before that guys, please do like, share the videos and subscribe to our channel. The stock which we are sharing is based on our trading setup which we also teach in our workshop. First stock pick is Bajaj Finance for short term. This is the chart of Bajaj Finance. Current market price is rupees 7,530, where you can see our first trading setup where there are three exponential moving averages, stochastic and MACD. Both stochastic and MACD have different settings other than normal standard settings. Moving on further, we can see that on 2nd November, stochastics has given a buy signal, and on 2nd November itself MACD has also given a positive crossover. The stock has also broken trend line. Target for Bajaj Finance is 8,050 with stop loss of 7,400 on closing basis in daily time frame. Return on investment works out to around 7% with risk to reward ratio of around 1:4. Second pick is Reliance Industries for medium term. On the screen, you see chart of Reliance. Current market price is rupees 2,485. This is our second trading setup where there are multiple EMS. In coming weeks or months, we are expecting little bearish action on Reliance because of bearish crossover of EMA. We recommend viewers to buy Reliance in staggered manner when price comes to around 2383 to 2300 levels. Target for Reliance is around rupees 2675 with stop loss of rupees 2180 on closing basis in weekly time frame. Third peak is BPCL for medium term. Target for stock is between rupees 500 to 525 with stop loss of rupees 395 on closing basis on monthly time frame. Return on investment come to about 16% with risk to reward ratio of around 1:4. We will make a follow-up video on all three stocks which we have shared in this video regarding how it will perform, whether target got achieved or stop loss got hit. That's it guys. See you in next video. Have a happy trading year ahead. Thank you.